In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use comments in Google Docs. Whether you're collaborating on a project or wanting to leave feedback on a specific section of text, knowing how to effectively use comments can make your document interactions much smoother. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you've got a section of text that you want to comment on. The first step is to highlight the area of the document that you're interested in. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text to select it. Once your text is highlighted, you'll need to engage the commenting feature. You can do this by right-clicking on the highlighted text. In the menu that pops up, you'll see an option labeled Comment. Go ahead and click on that. Now this is where you get to share your thoughts. A text box will appear on the right side of your document. In this box, you can type in your comment, whether it's feedback for a team member, a reminder to yourself, or even a question about the text. Once you're happy with what you've written, finalize it by clicking the Comment button. This action posts your comment and allows anyone else with access to the document to see and respond to it. Google Docs has also provided additional features to enhance how you interact with comments. Next to each comment, you'll notice 3 horizontal dots, which represent More Options. Clicking on these dots opens up a menu, giving you several useful choices. For instance, if you've made a mistake or need to update your feedback, you can select Edit to modify your comment. Made a comment by accident or no longer need it, simply choose Delete to remove it. For those who want to add a little more expressiveness to their feedback, you can use emoji reactions. This is a quick visual way to convey your thoughts. You can also click on details to see more about the comment, like when it was made or who made it. If you need to reference a specific comment again, using the Get Link to this comment option will be handy. This feature provides a direct link to the comment, making it easier to navigate to the relevant section of the document when collaborating with others. And that's essentially it. With these straightforward steps, you can use comments in Google Docs to enhance collaboration and ensure clear communication with your team. Thanks for following along with this tutorial on using comments in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.